We do love food, and we love good-for-you food even more, especially when it comes to a decadent dessert.
Today, we're going to make my mini Morselicious cherry chocolate cakes.
So we're sharing some real love with you here. Oh, I'm excited.
Oh, decadence without the guilt.
Yeah.
It's food of the gods.
Well,
or
it's
goddesses.
Goddesses, of course. Cacao, the deep, dark, rich, real stuff, and we're adding a nice antioxidant punch with some fresh in-season cherries. So this means this cake is gluten-free, vegan, and low sugar.
Always.
So what's not to love? I'm so excited.
Let's bake a cake.
Or many, many cakes.
Be prepared to fall in love at first bite.
Morselicious-E.A.T.S. Oh my gosh, it's so chocolate.
It's
so
so
chocolate.
good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh wow, this is like
This is decadent.
intensity, noir, cacao, like fantastic
Serious.
darkness.
Oh my gosh. This is death by chocolate. Life by chocolate. Life by chocolate.
Life by chocolate.
You have it on your chin.